2006 BMW 325i, 131,363 miles. Customer complaint states the vehicle is shaking. It is shaking. It definitely has a misfire. So we'll get her pulled in the shop, hook up the scanner, see which cylinder's missing, and get this thing diagnosed. I just think and said what year it was for the video. I do not remember. 2006. Combustion misfire on cylinder 5. And then we got a 29D9 misfire at low tank fill level. Airbag codes. Let's see how much gas is in it. I didn't even didn't pay attention. It's showing over a quarter tank. Oh, sucker's in there. Oh, that's... just a piece of the rubber there. Okay, I'm just going to switch number 5 and number 1 coils. Just as a quick little test. See if it needs a coil.
Hey, I remember this car, bro. Yeah? What's going on then? What's going on right now, bro? This car. What are you doing, bro? That's not making any difference when I unplug number 1. When I unplug number 5, it's working. So, it's definitely a coil. So, quick diagnosis, just swap the coil out. Misfire moved to number 1 because I put number 5 coil on number 1. Let's see, if we can go, I don't know, I don't work on BMWs a whole lot, so I do not know if these have a good misfire data in here or not. I mean, we know that it's the coil, but I just wanted to see it on here just to show you. But like I said, I'm not real familiar with BMW stuff. Smooth running values. Yeah, this is all Greek to me. But right here, true running value, cylinder 1, negative 1250. Now, this is all Greek to me. Don't have really a clue. I don't know if I've ever even seen it before. But you know that's bad, you know. So, alright. Well, we need one coil that will now go on number 1 cylinder. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope y'all have a great day.